Welcome, students, to a unique lesson where we'll explore the fascinating world of parts of speech in both English and French. Bonjour à tous. Today we'll see how these building blocks of language compare and contrast, Anna said in a friendly tone. That's right, Anna. Let's start with the basics. Nouns, Madame Dubois agreed, warmly. Nouns, or noms in French, are words that name people, places, things, or ideas. For example, dog, house, and freedom are all nouns in English, Anna explained clearly. In French, we have chien, maison, and liberté. Notice the slight differences in spelling and pronunciation. Madame Dubois clarified clearly. Student 1 asked curiously, "So, are the concepts the same?" Exactly. The function is the same. Now, let's move on to verbs, Anna encouraged. Verbs, or verbs, express actions or states of being. They're the engines that drive our sentences, the narrator explained energetically. In English, we have verbs like run, eat, and think, Anna said clearly. And in French, we have courir, manger, and penser. Notice how French verbs often have different endings depending on who is doing the action. Conjugation is key, Madame Dubois added, her voice clear. Anna encouraged Sarah by asking if she could give an example of a sentence using a verb. Sarah tentatively replied, "I read a book." Madame Dubois encouraged her, saying, "Excellent. Now, how would you say that in French, Sarah?" Sarah asked, "Je lis un livre?" Madame Dubois approved and said, "Parfait. Now, what about adjectives?" Adjectives, or adjectives, describe nouns. They add color and detail to our language. We use adjectives like big, blue, and happy to describe things, Anna explained clearly. Madame Dubois added clearly, in French, we have grand, bleu, and heureux. But remember, in French, adjectives often agree in gender and number with the nouns they modify. A student sounding confused asked, "Gender? What do you mean?" Madame Dubois responded patiently, "French nouns are either masculine or feminine. So, for example, un grand homme, a tall man, versus une grande femme, a tall woman." Let's not forget adverbs. These modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs, Anna said clearly. Adverbs, which often end in lie in English, tell us how, when, where, or to what extent something is done. For example, he runs quickly. Quickly is the adverb, Anna explained clearly. The equivalent in French is adverb. For example, il court rapidement, Madame Dubois stated clearly. Prepositions and prepositions show the relationship between a noun or pronoun and other words in the sentence. Think of words like on, in, at,